In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms, a powerful tool that can help you gather information efficiently. Whether you're planning an event, collecting feedback, or conducting a survey, Google Forms makes it easy to collate responses and analyze data. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and sign in to your Google account. It's essential to be logged in, as this is where your Google Forms will be stored and managed. Once you've signed in, head over to Google Drive, which serves as the central hub for all your documents, spreadsheets, and forms. In Google Drive, look for the New button, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will display a drop-down menu where you should see an option for Google Forms. If it's not immediately visible, you might find it nestled under More. Select Google Forms and choose Blank Form to start from scratch or use one of the templates for a quicker setup. Templates can be particularly useful if you need some inspiration or want to save time on formatting. Now that you're on the Google Forms interface, begin by giving your form a title. Think about what best describes the information you're gathering. Perhaps it's event registration or customer feedback. Whatever it may be, make it clear and concise. Just below the title, you can add a description. This is a great place to provide an overview or give directions to those filling out your form. For instance, if you're gathering feedback, you might say, "Please take a few minutes to share your thoughts on our recent event." Next, it's time to add questions to your form. Google Forms offers a variety of question types: multiple choice, drop-down, short answer, and more. To add a question, click on the plus sign on the right sidebar. Decide on the type of question by using the drop-down menu that appears with each new query. For instance, if you need detailed opinions, an open-ended question might be best, whereas multiple choice could work well for predefined answers. Customization is key in making your form engaging. Use the palette icon to modify the color scheme. You can also add images or videos if they serve a purpose in your survey, like a visual prompt to reinforce a question. Before sharing your form, do a quick preview using the eye icon to see how it will appear to users. You'll be able to double-check for any mistakes and ensure everything looks professional. When you're satisfied, click the Send button in the top right corner to share your form. You have various options here: link sharing, email, or embedding the form within a web page. As responses begin to roll in, Google Forms will display them in an easy-to-navigate summary, helping you analyze and extract meaningful insights efficiently. And there you have it. You now know how to create and manage Google Forms like a pro.